Amigos, el señor Davis y son las instrucciones para hoy, el 16 de diciembre. Pues vamos a practicar el pretérito con tres actividades: Voki, conjuguemos, y una tabla, a table worksheet. So for Voki, if you've never used it before, it is a avatar maker. So it's kind of fun. I have specific video for going through the directions on that so that you can understand how to do it. But basically what you're going to do is create a Voki, a little character that talks, and you're going to say your name and tell me where you went yesterday and what two things you did and two things you did last week using your preterite conjugations. And then you'll save it and share that on our shared doc here. So you can see here at the bottom is the shared doc where you can view other people's submissions. Mine is the only one there in case you're the first person to do the assignment. So then after you create your own Voki, you're going to listen to someone else's, and in the submissions, you'll click Submit Assignment at the top, and you're going to tell me in the LA form what that person did yesterday and last week. So this is some practice with speaking, it's practice with listening, and it's also practice with writing. And like I said, more specific directions on how to go about this assignment are in this sub video here. So please make sure you watch that. The next thing you're going to do is Practica Conjuguemos, the website, Conjuguemos. You can practice for at least 10 minutes on conjugating these verbs in preterite. So these are going to be verbs that are in regular AR, ER, or IR verbs. Our 5 irregulars, dar, ir, ser, ver, and hacer. And then the cargar zar verbs as well. So please make sure you click the link that's right here underneath the picture and make sure you log in first. So notice when you click this link, first thing it does is bring you to this. You need to click log in with your school email or with your Google in order to access that. If it gives you problems, please let me know, but it should allow you to complete the assignment once you're done. And then you'll come back here and submit assignment. Please remember, if you don't do the 10 minutes, which is the minimum requirement, it will not record that you did it at all. So please make sure you do that. And then lastly, you're going to do a table worksheet. So now it's going to look like a lot of work, but this is something that I give to my in-person classes every time we do a new conjugation. So what it is a table, essentially, of all your of a bunch of different verbs, and you're going to conjugate them in all 5 forms in preterite. So for montar, an AR verb, you'll conjugate it using AR preterite endings here. Beber is an ER verb, use preterite endings for ER verbs. And then I have the 5 irregulars thrown in here as well. So I know it looks like a lot, but it's really just conjugating 14 verbs in all 5 forms, which is something that we would do in class anyway. Now, when you're complete with this, please make sure you check your answers to see that you've been doing it correctly. I think a lot of times we're not looking to see if you did it right, you're just trying to submit it just to submit it. But that's not helping you see if you're doing things correctly. Now, if you make just a couple of minor errors here or there, then you don't necessarily have to worry about doing it again, but you can make a second attempt at this. So if you score really badly, please do it again. Don't just accept the bad score. Do it again so that you're doing it properly. Make sure you use accents where necessary, otherwise it will mark you wrong. And then that's the last thing that you're going to do today. The next time I'll see you, we will quiz over this preterite stuff that we've been practicing. It is review, everything that we're doing today and this week is review from last year. So hopefully you'll be prepared by then. We'll do a couple practice activities beforehand and then one small holiday activity if you'd like to. So buena suerte. Let me know if you have questions. Adios.